Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we explored cut, copy, paste and format painting. If you missed those, be sure to check them out. Today we are diving into some new formatting features: font family, font size, adjustment and change case. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about font family. This is where you choose the style of your text. Click on the font family drop down menu and you will see a list of different fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri. Each of font has its unique look. Choose one that best suits the tone of your document. Now let's look at font size adjustment. To increase or decrease the size of your text, use the font size drop down or the up and down arrows next to it. For, for example, if you want to make your heading stand out, increase the font size. If you need smaller text for font notes or details, decrease the size. Finding the perfect size helps ensure your text is readable and well balanced. Remember, you can enter a specific size directly for precise control. For most documents, a font size of 12 or 14 is standard for body text, while heading might be larger like 18 or 24 to grab attention. Finally, let's talk about change case. This feature allows you to quickly transform your text between uppercase, lowercase, and title case. For example, you can switch a title from all caps to title case with just a click, which is great for consistency. With these tools, you will be able to make your text stand out just the way you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.